Want to make money online but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll walk you through a beginner-friendly blueprint for launching your affiliate marketing business using AI. Start by picking a niche that has evergreen demand, like health, wealth, or relationships. Drill down to a profitable, but less competitive sub-niche. Click the link below this video to get free, no opt-in access to our interactive software to find the perfect niche. Now it's time to build your affiliate funnel. You'll need a landing page or bridge page, a simple lead magnet, and a short follow-up email series. AI tools can write all of this for you. Use AI to quickly generate blog posts, YouTube video scripts, Pinterest pin descriptions, even full email campaigns. Upload your content to platforms like Medium, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and YouTube to drive traffic for free. Use Marie Grove's method to create your side hustle plan in 10 minutes. See link in description below video. Avoid these rookie mistakes. Choosing a niche just because it is trending. Instead, choose evergreen niches. Promoting low-quality products with low commission, or products that don't fit your niche. Not creating a content strategy. Without consistency or strategy, you will struggle to drive traffic to your promotions. And you will struggle to make money online. Want to skip the guesswork and launch your affiliate business today? Use my free GPT to build your personalized affiliate marketing plan in under 10 minutes. It's the same system I use, and you can access it now. Click link in the description below the video.